In Europe, Swedish Finland is a Nordic country located in northern Europe. It shares land borders with Sweden to the west, Russia to the east, Norway to the north, and is defined by the Gulf of Bothnia to the west, and the Gulf of Finland of the Baltic Sea across Estonia to the south. Finland covers an area of 338,455 square kilometers, with a population of 5.5 million. Helsinki is the country's capital and largest city. Finnish, the native language of the Finns, is among the only few Finnic languages in the world. The climate varies relative to latitude, from the southern humid continental climate to the northern boreal climate. Finland is primarily a boreal forest biome, with more than 180,000 recorded lakes. Finland was inhabited around 9000 BC after the last glacial period. The Stone Age introduced several different ceramic styles and cultures. The Bronze Age and Iron Age were characterized by extensive contacts with other cultures in Fennoscandia and the Baltic region. From the late 13th century, Finland gradually became an integral part of Sweden as a consequence of the Northern Crusades. In 1809, as a result of the Finnish War, Finland was annexed by Russia as the autonomous Grand Duchy of Finland, during which Finnish art flourished and the idea of independence began to take hold. In 1906, Finland became the first European state to grant universal suffrage, and the first in the world to give all adult citizens the right to run for public office. Nicholas II, the last Tsar of Russia, tried to russify Finland and terminate its political autonomy. But after the 1917 Russian Revolution, Finland declared independence from Russia. In 1918, the fledgling state was divided by the Finnish Civil War. During World War II, Finland fought the Soviet Union in the Winter War and the Continuation War, and Nazi Germany in the Lapland War. After the wars, Finland lost parts of its territory, but maintained its independence. Finland largely remained an agrarian country until the 1950s. After World War II, the country rapidly industrialized and developed an advanced economy, while building an extensive welfare state based on the Nordic model, resulting in widespread prosperity and a high per capita income. Finland joined the United Nations in 1955 and adopted an official policy of neutrality. Finland joined the OECD in 1969, the NATO Partnership for Peace in 1994, the European Union in 1995, the Euro-Atlantic Partnership Council in 1997, and the Eurozone at its inception in 1999. Finland is a top performer in numerous metrics of national performance, including education, economic competitiveness, civil liberties, quality of life and human development. In 2015, Finland was ranked first in the World Human Capital and the Press Freedom Index and as the most stable country in the world during 2011 to 2016 in the Fragile States Index, and second in the Global Gender Gap Report. It also ranked first on the World Happiness Report for 2018, 2019, 2020 and 2021. The earliest written appearance of the name Finland is thought to be on 3 rune stones. 2 were found in the Swedish province of Uppland and have the inscription Finlonti. The name Suomi has been suggested, from which Northern Finnic re-borrowed it, and Lithuanian, being borrowed into Uralika as *, Earlier theories suggested derivation from Suoma or Suonemi, but these are now considered outdated. It has been suggested that the Finnish word Suomias first attested the Royal Frankish Annals Annal 4811, which mentions a person called Suomi among the Danish delegation at a peace treaty with the Franks. If so, it is also the earliest evidence for the change from the Proto-Finnic monophthong o to the Finnish diphthong uo. However, some historical linguists view this interpretation of the name as unlikely, supposing another etymology or that the spelling originated as a scribal error. In the earliest historical sources, from the 12th and 13th centuries, the term Finland refers to the coastal region around Turku from Pärnu to Uusikaupunki. This region later became known as Finland proper in distinction from the country name Finland. Finland became a common name for the whole country in a centuries-long process that started when The Catholic Church established a missionary diocese in Norrköping in the northern part of the province of Suomi possibly sometime in the 12th century. The devastation of Finland during the Great Northern War and during the Russo-Swedish War caused Sweden to begin carrying out major efforts to defend its eastern half from Russia. These 18th century experiences created a sense of a shared destiny that, when put in conjunction with the unique Finnish language, led to the adoption of an expanded concept of Finland. If the archaeological finds from Wolf Cave are the result of Neanderthals' activities, the first people inhabited Finland approximately 120,000 to 130,000 years ago. The area that is now Finland was settled in at the L.